Introducing the letter P. P is for a pig rolling in the dirt. P is for paint splattered on my shirt. P is for pie, warm and sweet. P is for a pear, such a treat. P is for a purse and a penguin too. P is for popcorn for me and you. What else starts with the letter P? How about panda? Pot and pop work too. Can plug and pizza be added to the crew? Can you think of words that start with the P sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter P. Down, jump up, around. Down, jump up, around. Down, jump up, around. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp.